Hi, Level A. How are you? I hope that you had a good weekend and it's almost Thanksgiving. Now it's November. Can't believe it. 2020 went by so fast, which is good. So this week, you already know the present simple, right? Like he eats tacos. She doesn't walk to school. Okay, that's simple present. And so today we're going to learn a new verb tense. Today we're going to learn present continuous. It's also called present progressive. Um, and so today and tomorrow you're going to practice positive and negative. And then on Wednesday there will be a very short video about questions. And so then Wednesday and Thursday you'll do positive, negative, and questions. Okay? So that is the plan for today. This present simple is pretty easy. I think you'll get it. It's not too difficult. Okay? So let's get started. All right. So in your packet for the week, we have, see here, we see present continuous, present progressive. All right. And today we're doing positive and negative. Okay. So to make the present progressive, you have the person, okay, plus the to be verb, to be, and then you have your verb plus ing, okay? So I'll show you what that looks like, all right? So let's say you, and then what to be verb is gonna go with you? You are, okay, and let's say listen, okay? Listen. Listen, okay, so here's our verb listen, right? This, listen, okay? Our verb listen. So you are listening. You add the ing on the end. You are listening. So we use the present progressive for right now. So right now, you are watching a video on YouTube. You are learning English. You are listening. I am teaching. Okay? It's something that's happening right now in this present moment. Okay? So that's what present progressive is. So you do the person, the to be verb, so you are, I am, he is, okay? And then the verb, so listen plus ing, listening. He is listening. I am listening. You are listening. Okay, we're going to have tons of practice. Don't worry, okay? All right. So here, if you want to, you can put it in your language. So in Spanish, for example, it would be tú estás escuchando. Okay? So the ando, yendo, and endo in Spanish, a lot of times that ending ando, yendo, endo is the ing in English. Okay? So this is the translation for you are listening. Okay? All right. So that's the positive. See, super easy, right? To be verb plus ing. Okay, so much practice. We're gonna do so much practice. Okay, so let's review really quickly our to be verbs. Okay, so I am, you are, oh, sorry. He, she, and it. Do you remember what it is? He is, she is, it is. We are, y'all are, and they are. Okay? So look over here. There's some spelling rules that you need to know about. Okay, so spelling. So for verbs that end in E, you're going to take off the E and then add ing. So here's an example. Drive, right? Drive. Okay. So to say, if you wanted to say, put drive into present continuous, you would say, I am, All right, so then you do, look at this. Drive has an E on the end, so you don't need the E, okay? And we just do this. Driving, okay? I am driving. I am driving. D-R-I-V-I-N-G. No E. Drive, right? Like I drive to school. I do need the E. But in the present continuous, we say driving. There's no E. Okay? All right. Live, live. So same thing, L-I-V. You see we have an E here. We don't need it in the present continuous. Living. All right? Living. So driving, living. So you have to remember the spelling. Okay, so this was positive. Easy, right? You are listening. She is driving. Okay? We'll get some practice. All right. Now let's do, okay, so for negative, we're going to do our person, the to be, and then you're going to put not after the to be, and so then you have the verb plus ing, okay? So let's do I. What's our to be verb? Am. Not. Let's do this. We'll do driving. I am not driving right now. I am talking. I am teaching. I am not driving. Okay? I am not. She is not. You are not. So the not always goes between the to be verb and it's in the middle. Not. I am not. You are not. He is not. Okay? So let's do some contractions, right? We'll do the easy ones first. All right, so is not, the contraction would be isn't. Okay, the contraction would be isn't. Are not, the contraction would be aren't. Aren't. Okay, are not, the contraction is aren't. All right, so with I am, there is no contraction for am not. There's not a contraction for that, but you can do this. So I am. So the contraction would be I'm. I'm. So if we said this, let's do this. I'm not eating, right? I'm not eating. So this is a contraction for I am. I'm not eating. But you could also, if we do she, so she is not eating. If we wanted to do a contraction, we could do she isn't eating. Okay? She isn't eating. So those are the contractions. All right. So positive and negative. Let's do a real quick, we'll do a really quick practice. Okay? Let me go to my PowerPoint. Here we go. All right. So what are they doing? Okay, so look, okay, so here's our verb, take a photo, right? So we're going to say she is taking a photo, right? So this is a contraction. So, oops, sorry. So you can have a contraction for is not, she is not, or a contraction for she is she's. So in that one that we just looked at, she's, oops, sorry, let me go back. There we go. She is taking a photo. So look, take, T-A-K-E. So when you put the ing on the end, you don't need the e. Taking. Okay? All right. What's this one? What is it? So he is using a computer. So he is using the computer. Okay. Okay. Ooh, what is he doing? What is he doing? It looks like he might be baking, B-A-K-E, or he might be making a cake, M-A-K-E. I'm not sure. Let's see. So he is, oh, he's cooking. He is cooking. He is cooking. So person, to be verb, and then verb plus ing. He is cooking. All right, let's do next. Ooh, what are they doing? They are, what's the verb? Swim, swimming. They are swimming. Good. Swim is the verb. They are swimming. Okay, with the ing. They are swimming. All right, one more. I. What am I doing? What am I doing? I am playing tennis. I am playing tennis. All right. Okay. All right, so down here at the bottom of your notes, there's two examples, and we're gonna do positive, negative, and question. Today, we're only doing positive and negative, okay? And then on Wednesday, we'll do questions. All right, so positive. So she is our person, learn is the verb, and then here's all our extra information. Okay, so we're gonna change these into present continuous. So present simple. Present simple would be she learns, right? With our S, because it's he, she, or it. She learns English. All right, that's present simple. But we're going to do present continuous. So let's do our person. All right, what's next? Our to be verb. So she is, and then we need our verb plus ing. So learning English. All right, so that's the positive. Good. All right. So now let's do negative. Okay. So she, then our to be verb, she is, and then we need to make it negative, we need to put our not. She is not learning English. Okay. If you want to, you can also say, you can make this and do the contraction, right? So you could say she isn't learning English, okay? She isn't learning English. All right, let's do the next one. Positive. Here's the person, I, and our verb is drive, okay? I drive. So I is the person. What's our to be verb for I? I am. And then drive is our verb, so we need to add ing, but remember it ends in that E, so we don't need it, okay? We don't need the E, so we're gonna say driving to school, okay? I am driving to school. All right, I hope you got that one. All right, here's the next one. Negative, I am not, right? I am not driving to school. I am not driving to school. All right, so that's positive and negative, present continuous or present progressive. You will have some practice today on the computer and in your packet. All right. And then on Wednesday, remember there will be a short video about questions in the present progressive. Okay? All right. Good job. See you on Wednesday.